Here I'm again showing up my face with another video. So this is another video of calculated column in which we will be using the related function in the DAX to create a calculated column with the reference value in another table. So you can download the file from here, click here, the file will get downloaded. I have already downloaded the file, so this is the file. So what we will do, we will check and add a calculated column called artist age at tour start. So I will go in my table, I will go in the tour, so I will add one column called artist age at tour start equal to, now it's saying that this column should subtract the value of year formed in the artist and start year. Okay, so what I will do, I will year start year formed year So for this we need to take the related function where we will take artist from this one and then we will do minus with the artist from the start year. Okay, and then we can do one thing, we can put this in variable and I will name it as year equal to this, and it will return me year plus 1. It will return me the desired output. The tour start should be in the front like this, and this should be like this. Yep. So yeah, I have added this. Now we will add one more table called artist age at tour ends. So I think this would be same, so I will just copy this and I will add new column and I will artist age at tour end. I will rename this as end, and from here tour start I will make it as start end year and I will enter. Okay, now we have two columns here, so to display the output if it is accurate or not, we will take one table. From this table we will add same as it is in the site artist, and then year formed, then tour name, and then start year, end year, and artist age at tour start, this one. I will expand this and check if I'm getting accurate values or not. Let's see. So it has so these are the tour names. There are some different names mentioned here, like some symbol value, so that's why it's coming up. So we will take this one, a bigger bank tour 2005, 2002, 2005, 2007, and 44 and 46. 44 and 46, yes, we are getting accurate values. And then below above is for the Coldplay, it's 20 and 21. Coldplay 20 and 21, yes, we are getting accurate values, the results are accurate. Now it's saying that add a calculated column called year between tour end and band breakup to the tour table. So in the tour table we will add one more column which will be named as years between. I will just copy this and paste it here. And what's the situation? So this should calculate the difference between the year disabandoned column in the artist table and the end year in the two tables. So what we will do, we will just take the end year minus related abandoned year disabandoned. I will click enter, and now we are getting the values like this, like 2022, and this one 20 and 12, 20 and 12, like this. So I think for this I need to take this in the front, and then we will remove this from here and enter. Yeah, so yeah, we are having now minus 2006 and this and that, minus 2019 and 2012. So we are getting the accurate values, whatever is mentioned here. So it's saying that you should find a mix of positive and negative numbers in the result. Yeah, we are finding positive and negative. So modify the calculation to return blank if the year disabandoned column is blank. Okay, the column should contain a mix of blank and numbers. Modify the calculation to return blank if the year disabandoned column is blank. So for removing these numbers, like these are giving minus 2009, minus 2000 something, these are giving the blank values. These values are like blank in the year disabandoned. So what we will do, we will use if function, and then not is blank related then it should return me this. Now you can see that there is no years mentioned here, only the values I'm getting here. So yeah, that's the output. Like if you see, these are the charts that we have drawn from here. We can directly do the analysis. So yeah, this is the final answer. Thank you for watching.